Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, this is one of the reasons why I always tell you ukuthi angiwatrust ama-politician. Whether uwumZulu wakithi, whether uyini, noma ngabe kuthiwa uyinhloboni yomuntu, as long as uyi-politician, I'm scared of ama-politician. If I make some comments about how local government wethu ephethe ngayo ama-cities, ngizothini i-city yethu iDurban and our small towns. Some people don't understand. Bacabanga ukuthi maybe it's because mhlambe uzama kuba yi-sell out, ukhuluma kabi amaZulu akini or something. I will always be honest. Noma ngabe kuthiwa iqembu lami lelo engilivotelayo elenza izinto ezi-wrong. I will always tell the truth. If they are wrong, they are wrong, and I will say it in public. Angeke phela kuze kulunge izinto if sizoba defender siba protect noma be-wrong. We have to say it the way izinto zingakhona. Yiyo lento eyenza ukuthi sibe la sikhona namhlanje leyo ukuthi ngoba uyi-ANC you don't want to blame i-ANC, because uyi-DA you don't want to blame i-DA, uyi-MK you don't want to blame. If benza wrong, if iqembu lakho lenza wrong, speak out, complain, so that they will correct whatever they are doing wrong. If wena you are always praising them, even if benza wrong izinto, kusho ukuthi wena awufuni ukuthi kube noshintsho, kusho ukuthi awufuni ukuthi kube noshintsho njengoba ungaba correct nje. You have to correct them. If kuyi-corruption abayenzayo, speak out ukuze bezoyiyeka. If kuwukuthi service delivery ayikho, kuyilona iqembu lakho kufanele ukuthi ngabe likunika lawo ama-services, complain. And ungenzi kube yi-secret, complain. Into eyenzeka kule video ibuhlungu because we are complaining about all these things ukuthi ama-hijack buildings eThekwini, here in KZN, our towns, our city, iTheku, ukuthi ama-illegal foreign nationals are hijacking buildings, agcwele kuma-buildings. Our government, our local government is not doing anything about that. Okay, they are trying sometimes. General Mkhwanazi has been trying, but ucomplaina ngento eyodwa ukuthi siyabakhipha babuyele, asazi ukuthi babuyela kanjani ngoba angeke sikwazi ukuthi sihlale lapho in front of the buildings siwagade. Ubani okumele ukuthi enze njalo if amaphoyisa esekwazile ukubakhipha avala enza yonke into is ugovernment, ama-leaders manje, ama-politicians osekufanele ukuthi bathathe iy'nyathelo ngaleyo building ukuthi yenziwa ini. Amaphoyisa ayikho into angayenza. So right now lana eThekwini kukhishwe ama-South Africans kwi-building, ama-victims, ama-floods ka-2021 akhishiwe building, but ama-Nigerians, ama-Congolese, all over emafletini kugcwele ama-illegal foreigners emafletini, but kukhishwa ama-South Africans laphayana ngenxa yesimo ukuthi awanayo imizi yahamba ngama-flood. Ubani ithemba, instead ukuthi ithemba labantu kube ugovernment, ithemba uphakela umthakathi, abantu bakhala ngophakela umthakathi. Just imagine leyo nto ukuthi wena kumele ukuthi uvotele ugovernment, umbeke lapha kwi-power, but mangabe sewudinga usizo kunezinto ey'dingayo kufanele ukhalele your fellow ordinary citizen. Bafuna uphakela umthakathi abantu, bafuna uphakela umthakathi ezobasiza ey'nkingeni okufanele ukuthi ngabe ugovernment obasizayo. Let's watch this video guys.
Utomdala ngila ipoint abantu base-South Africa labo bakhishiwe phakela e-building ababehlala kuyona, bahlala eminyango ney'ngane emvuleni. Apparently umasipala uthi abantu bama-floods a-2021. Hayi ngeke aningenelele mfethu, hayi aningenelele bhuti wami, ngenelelani.
Maphila ngisongathi ubona ithemba mubona kanjani?
Mntanami, kumhlanga iziva mhlaze baphakama baya Eastern Cape la ngizalwa wakho. Hayi baba, waphakama uZulu wayewutsho Eastern Cape ebona ilizwe lakhe liyahamba. Kumhlanga aziva bandizele, kumhlanga aziva bayisizwe sabantu amnyama base-South Africa zisekhona insizwa, sisengomama esaphatha abantwana 9 months esiswini abaseneqiniso ngoba ngempela amadoda awasekho, ambalwa amadoda aneqiniso emhlabeni. Kodwa uyabona lo simphiwe nguThixo, uphakela umthakathi. Ngiyamcela uThixo nokhokho bonke basebakumeni, oThixo basemasukwini, izinyanya zami, iy'ngelo sezimgadile mna ngoba mna sekufutshane phambili, zigide emfeni kwalwamfana, zimkhusele. Ilizwe lethu limkile, siyakhala thina, siyakhala thina. Awungaya kuzo zonke indawo, awungaya kuzo zonke indawo ubona usizo. Laba bantu baze nemihlambi yabo bazowutshabalalisa isizwe lethu, baze nemihlambi yabo bavula amafemu bayaqashana, bathatha izindlu ngabo kanti nina abantwana bethu nosebenza
Mhlawumbe sengaphakathi mama sibone sikwenzakalayo.
nina nohlalaphi.
uPhakela Mthakathi is the only hope for these citizens. uJacinta is the only hope for these citizens. But sivotela ugovernment, sivotela ama-politicians. Wonke ama-blessings aya kuma-ordinary citizens. Why? Because yibo abafana no-government, yibo abaphethe izwe. La eSouth Africa, iSouth Africa yonke uzozwa abantu bekhala ngokuthi uJacinta noPhakela Mthakathi. But if you go to i-list yama-political parties esinawo la eSouth Africa, uzomangala ukuthi uma ngabe sekuney'nkinga kukhalwa ngoJacinta, kukhalwa ngoPhakela Mthakathi. The only politician ozozwa abantu at least bebonga uzozwa bekhuluma ngoHerman Mashaba. There is no hope for South African citizens. The only hope for citizens of this country ama-organization alwela abantu. Without these organizations, we are nothing. Can you imagine that? I-country enjani idepende ekuthenini kufanele kube ne-hero ezovuka phakathi kwabo ukuze kukwazi ukuthi kuqhubeke bebe safe. Without ukuthi kube ne-hero ezovumbuka phakathi kwenu, you are nothing. Vela yikho into eniyiyona. Anina security, anikho safe because ugovernment akanandaba. Asazi kuyobonakala khona, kuyobonakala sekuqoqwa.
And we need to train them because impi iyeza bafowethu. Niyababona abantu njengoba begoloza. Impi iyeza. Njengoba begoloza kanjena ababantu. Impi sebenayo sebecalculateile baqeda. I-mistake abayenzile. Abasibalanga thina behawu. Abasibalanga thina ihlamlile.
Banalo yini ithemba nje abantu base-South Africa amaqhamuka uRamaphosa? Banakho ukujabula okunjena uma kuqhamuka upresident wabo uRamaphosa abantu base-South Africa? I don't think so. Why? Because vele bayazi ukuthi noma engavela ayikho into avela nayo ngaphandle kokuthi uzothatha from ukubona, akazile ukuzoletha. Akalethe sizo, uzofuna amavoti if eqhamuka. If kungesona isikhathi samavoti ngeke uzumbone. Angeke uzumbone noma kuthiwa kushoniwe. Mase kuyisikhathi sama-elections la uzombona khona esezofuna from kunini ukuthi nimnike something, not ukuthi yena ulethe something kunini. Buka ithemba lezwe uPhakela Mthakathi mayiqhamuka kwenzakalani. Even uJacinta intombazane, if eqhamuka uJacinta kwenzeka kanje, bajabula abantu baba nethemba ukuthi at least ula ufikile manje. Uyazi ukuthi uthini umama wase-Eastern Cape? Akajabuleli ukuthi kwafika umuntu oyi-politician, ukuthi kwafika isixazululo kufika i-politician. Ujabulela ukuthi kwafika uPhakela Mthakathi, the only hope of the nation, ukuthi sazi ukuthi at least uma kuqhamuka yena kuzokwenzeka something, sizovikeleka, sifila safe makuqhamuka our fellow citizens. Siba nehope makuqhamuka uPhakela Mthakathi noJacinta than makuqhamuka our politicians, ama-leaders ethu esiwavotelayo namaphoyisa awo. Asibi nehope makuqhamuka bona, asifili safe makuqhamuka bona, sifila safe makuqhamuka labo. Angazi ukuthi singenza kanjani ukuthi singayeki ukusupporta umzabalazo as ama-patriots. Sife nomzabalazo. Noma ungeke ufe ukuthi ufa physically, but ufele umzabalazo ngeqiniso nangokwethembeka. Noma ngabe kuthiwa sizamazanyiswa kanjani, sathembisa ukuthi sizoyimela, asiyimele till the end. Njengoba igama lisho lithi we will march until we win. So nje asikakawini, sisekude kabi. Angithi uyazi ukuthi uthini uPhakela Mthakathi? Uthi impi yeza. Njengoba besho bethi abayindawo lelizwe bazolifela. And you can imagine ukuthi umuntu ofeyile ukuthi afele izwe lakhe wabaleka, kodwa uwilling ukuthi afele izwe okungelona lakhe. Indoda enjani leyo? Engenandaba nokuthi ife njengenja yafela kwelinye izwe, ifela elinye izwe, kodwa yena uyibona eyiqhawe lowo muntu loyo, uyibona eyihero. Akakwazi ukulwela iy'ngane zakhe ukuthi zibe ne-future ezweni lazo, kodwa uyakwazi ukufela i-foreign land bese eyibiza ngokuthi uyiqhawe, beyibiza ngokuthi ba-wise. Anyways guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.